But I can go after work today and pay it.
So here's what I'm going to do. Since they wouldn't take her money, I don't understand why people won't take money.
Well, Ryan. 14A, District Court, County of Washington, State of Michigan, is now back in session. The Honorable Judge J.
You may be seated. So I delay, folks. Court does call the case of Clark Road Senior Dividend Housing versus Tracy Rolex.
Good afternoon, Madam and Kim. On behalf of Ms. Rolex, and Ms. Rolex is present here in the courtroom today.
Long time no see.
Good to see you, Your Honor.
And where are we on this case?
We just entered our appearance, and it appears that, well, Ms. Rolex has Section 8, zero income. We are investigating her recertification to see if part of her rent is owed by Section 8. And so we would ask a couple of weeks adjournment, opportunity to look into this and file an answer or work something out with a plaintiff.
You're going to have an objection to that, or?
No objection. I guess I would request that rent be paid into escrow during this time period. It has been a few months since any payment has been made.
Okay, well, what is her portion? The last, I get there's a recert issue, but.
So she has zero income and her rent should be zero, but apparently what I'm understanding is that her voucher payment standard might be too low, so that she has a portion of rent that she has to still pay, which she can't pay. So that's why we're looking into this. I think her portion is $130.
So her portion should be zero, but because the one part is too low, there's I'll call it a gap that she's supposed to pay.
Exactly.
Right now, what is she supposed to be paying?
130, I believe.
All right. And she doesn't have that to pay at this point.
Right.
All right. What I'll do, counsel, is I'll reserve the issue of escrow until at least we can have some preliminary whatever.
Oh, thank you.
You applied through Hawk? Okay. Did you meet with them on the 12th? Just a few days ago?
I talked to Alicia.
Alicia? Okay. So you were dealing with Alicia? Because the note I have from them indicates she had an intake on the 12th. I didn't know if you knew that, Ms. Kim, and that they're waiting for additional documents from her.
And I sent them. I sent all them to her. And I told her today, she emailed me today and I talked to her today. And I got an appointment with my caseworker because I had filled out because I applied for disability. So, and I applied for the money you get from the Department of Human Services, whatever.
Okay.
And I applied for it to get the $200 a month. I turned my paperwork in. I called, they sent the letter saying I got denied because I didn't turn in my paperwork. And I turned my paperwork in the same day I turned in my paperwork for somebody to come and help me at my house. I'm getting a caregiver too.
Gotcha.
So I turned all of that in and I walked it in. They didn't get it. So I had to reapply. So I got an appointment next Friday on the 22nd with my caseworker about that.
Okay.
So I got,
You got a lot going on. Okay. So if I kick this out to your appointment with your caseworkers on the 22nd,
yeah,
and you were asking for 2 weeks, and I understand there's no objection to the 2 weeks to try to
You know,
get to the bottom.
out of courtesy to Attorney Kim, so we've worked great together in the past. I won't object to 2 weeks.
Did you worked great with Kim?
We've always worked things out.
Really? Are you serious, Gan? There hasn't been a problem?
Even a Spartan can pull miracles.
Well, you know what? If you work great together and there were no issues, you are my hero. I know we just left you out of the whole conversation, didn't we, Miss Kim? May 29th, 2026 at 3 p.m. in
3
person.
p.m. In person?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
PM. Let's see where we are on this. Okay.
Your Honor.
Thank you. And again, good seeing you, Miss Kim. Take care, Miss Rolex. Here on Vista, was that it for Mr. Gang?
No, it's good.
Okay. Here on Vista versus Takia Roberts.
May it please the Honorable Court, Steve Gann, P78219 for the plaintiff.
Miss Roberts.
Yes, sir. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What's that uh-oh for?
Uh-oh,
I need a
sorry.
camera. It's all right.
I'm at my desktop. I was on my phone, but it started to update out of nowhere, so I had to jump on my desk. I didn't want you to feel like I was trying to miss my court case, so I was trying to get back in here. So I'm on my desktop right now.
Oh, okay. All right. Good.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. And what do we have owing on this case?
Currently, Your Honor, the rent due owing is $3,365. We're asking for $240.81 in court fees for a total of $3605.81. $3605.81.
All right. And ma'am, my note here indicates unemployment benefits of some type.
Yes. So I didn't hear anything back about my union getting into my fixing the dates and stuff on there, because remember I told you how they said that I violated a policy and that's why they denied my unemployment. So my union had to go in there and fix it with my supervisor because she put the wrong dates on there. So I went to Michigan Works on Wednesday to open a new claim for that, and no one told me that when you're denied the
She's openly admitting she doesn't even know if she'll have enough money next week. And somehow this courtroom just shifted from legal drama into pure survival mode. You can hear the exhaustion in her voice. But here's the bigger question. Is the plaintiff showing compassion here, or simply buying time before pushing harder in court?
first time that you can still certify to get at least the back pay that you missed. No one told me that. So when I went into their Wednesday and I told them my situation, so they could have informed me then before I opened a new claim. They made me open a new claim and went from there. So now I have to wait to certify the week of the 25th. And with that payment will be only like $300. But I also paid today. I went to the leasing office today to pay $1,000. I got the receipt for that. They also processed it today. I'm also, after the court hearing, I'm going to give them a money order for $500. So today I paid $1,500 in total. And I was hoping that I can give a little bit more time to get the rest of the money. I'm also waiting on my taxes. I did file for my taxes. So hopefully when that money comes back, I should be able to give them more.
Okay, let me ask you this. You paid $1,500 today, so you'd be around the $2,100. And are you going to have any funds next week?
No, Your Honor.
All right. What about the week after?
That's the week of the 25th. So they told me to certify, and normally you don't see anything until like 3 days, they told me. So when I get the $300 payment from that, I'll give it to them. But I still have family members that are trying to help me towards the end of this month as well.
All right. So she paid $1,500. Mr. Gandy, You want 22nd or 29th? I'll give her a bit more time to do this.
Your Honor, if we could, she's in the on Zoom. Can I speak with her in a breakout room for just a minute? Maybe come up with a conditional dismissal right now. And
I usually don't do that, but
that's fine. Then
I'll adjourn it out a
29th?
week, and then the two of you can talk on your own time.
Yeah,
That
how about the
awkward little
29th?
laugh. That's courtroom tension boiling over. Everybody in this hearing knows they're walking a razor's edge between settlement and disaster. And notice what the judge is doing here. He's slowing everything down before someone makes a decision they regret. That's actually a huge moment legally.
And then we'll get something to you beforehand.
Okay. Does that sound okay, Ms. Roberts?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm going to put this out to May 29th, 2026 at 3 p.m. That's in-person hearing. You need to contact Mr. Gann's office and see if you can work something out in terms of a conditional dismissal or something prior to that date, okay?
Okay, I don't have the number to Mr. Gann's office. Is there a way
It's on
that
paper, but...
Oh, okay. Thank you. Sorry.
All right. All right. Okay. It's okay, Ms. Roberts. All right. And Ms. Roberts, I'm going to
Yes.
advise you of this right now.
Okay.
That so that if it's submitted beforehand,
Okay.
that upon the signing by the court of a conditional order of dismissal, you have 3 business days to think about it. If you believe that there's some legal reason, some misunderstanding, or some confusion on your part, or some right you didn't assert, you'd have 3 business days to file a motion with the court to set that aside. Okay?
Oh, okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you,
All
Your
right.
Honor. You have a great
Thank
day.
you. And I think that's it. Go ahead.